Whew. I'm out of breath already. I'm on the scooter. I just dropped the dump truck off at the tire shop, and I'm tired. The dump truck's at the top of the hill, or the tire shop's at the top of the hill, so I'm scootering back down. Almost to the top of the hill. It's a little bit of a rise. I'm out of shape. And it's cold. But a little scooter will work. It's not real far. I don't even think a half a mile. I'm out of shape. That's bad. But once I get to the top of the hill, all I gotta do is kick once, and I'm at the office. Well, Christian and I are over here where the gooseneck's at. Hey, hold on. Go back up. It's not open. Oh, there it went. Yep, it fell on. Here, let me do this part. You'll have to kind of climb up there and chain it. We're getting the skid steer and the Mini X and going back over to that project with it. We'll do the skid steer first, but we just got the gooseneck and the 1 ton. Pretty easy, my opinion. We'll get all this loaded up and headed back. So drop that pin. Yep, that one. There you go. Christian and I moved the skid steer and the Mini X, and now we have the muck bucket for the Mini X in the back of the truck, and that sucked.
Yeah.
That's pretty hard to put it in the back of the truck.
Really heavy.
Well, we're waiting on the train. It's moving slow. You like that muffin?
Yeah, it was pretty good.
I didn't like it at all.
I love blueberry muffins.
Yeah, but that ice, that shitty cheap icing that Ashley put on the top of it, ugh.
Yeah.
I didn't like it.
I feel like it, made a nice little blend in there. Cinnamon and blueberry. It's like cinnamon blueberry bread,
Well, Ashley's from Nebraska, so cinnamon and chili is the combination you want.
Cinnamon chili?
Cinnamon and chili. So cinnamon rolls and chili. And you take the cinnamon rolls and dip it in the chili.
I don't know about all that, but...
It's good. It's a Nebraska thing.
Okay.
They even have it at Runza.
My mom used to put corn in her chili. I couldn't eat it.
I don't mind that.
Yeah.
I don't process corn, though. It just comes out the same way as it goes in.
Yeah. Yeah, true.
Still waiting on the train. It's amazing how many people just throw cigarette butts on the ground. This person just lobbed one on the ground. I love to go and pick those up and throw them back into their car. Be like, don't litter.
It's a bad smoking habit. It's like picking your nose. It's a filthy habit. It happens all the time.
Yeah. You shouldn't smoke.
No, I shouldn't.
He smokes. And I've been warning him about the dangers of smoking, and he hasn't dropped it yet.
Oh, I've reduced substantially, quite a bit. I don't feel like I smoke near as much.
Oh, good. It'll help you kick it.
Yeah, it will. Eventually.
I should get you into pipe smoking. I have so much pipe tobacco, I could give you enough pipe tobacco to last you a year.
I mean, I would definitely do it.
I wouldn't even notice it being gone.
I love smoking out of pipes. It makes me feel like Gandalf.
Gandalf. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'll see if I have a couple of pipes laying around, some pipe tobacco.
That'd be cool.
I got a lot of it. More than I would ever be able to smoke in my lifetime. But yeah, we're headed back to the job. is here. Sloping it for grade. We're gonna cap it with topsoil. Kind of filling in the potholes and whatnot. If you look over here, when the concrete guys laid the forms in, they're laying it a lot higher. So we have to backfill all this to bring it up. So then there's a slope going down. Then we'll put topsoil on it and then plant it with grass and it'll look good. Well, we don't do the grass part, but we'll do the topsoil part. But slow process. Skid steer trucks it over from the pile. Mini X lays it out. Pretty easy work, just takes quite a bit of time. A couple of guys be able to knock all of it out. Well, it's like 6:30. Just getting home. You can't see very well. Not enough light. But Ashley's here. And the puppies. I'm trying to think we can see them at all. It's probably too dark. Just getting home. Gonna make dinner. Work on the computer for like 4 hours. Go to bed. Do it all again tomorrow. Come on, guys. See you guys tomorrow.